Hi students, today we are going to discuss about highest common factor and least common multiply. 6th class third chapter. Now they discuss LCM. What is the LCM? Least common multiply of two or more numbers. Is the smallest natural number, which is the multiply of each of the numbers. For example, LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4. LCM means least common multiply. 3 multiplies 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, and so on. 4 multiplies 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, and so on. Common multiply of 3 and 4 equal 12 and 24. Therefore, least common multiply of 3 and 4 equal 12. Another example, least common multiply of 4 and 6. Least common multiply of 4 and 6. 4 के टेबल 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 24, 4 7 जा 28, 4 8 जा 32, and so on. 6 tables 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42. Common multiply of 4 and 6 equal 12, 24. Therefore, least common multiply of 4 and 6 equal 12. Next discussion, methods of finding LCM. First method is prime factorization method. For example, LCM of 36 and 60. Prime factors of 36. 2 18 ja 36, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Prime factors of 36 equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factors of 60. 2 30 ja 60, 2 15 ja 30, 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5. Prime factors of 60 equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. common factors of 36 and 60 equal 2 into 2 into 3. Extra factors of 36 and 60 equal 3 and 5. 3 into 5. Therefore, LCM of 36 and 60 equal product of common factors and extra factors. 2 into 2 into 3. 3 into 5 equal 2 2 ja 4. 4 3 ja 12. 12 3 ja 36. 36 5 ja 180. Least common multiply of 36 and 60 equal 180. Another example, LCM of 10, 15 and 25. Factors of 10, 2 5 ja 5 1 ja. Prime factors of 10 equal 2 into 5. Prime factors of 15. 3 5 ja 5 1 ja. Prime factors of 15 equal 3 into 5. Prime factors of 25. 5 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5. Prime factors of 25 equal 5 into 5. Common factors of 10, 15, 25 equal 5. Extra factors of 10, 15, 25 equal 2 and 3 and 5. 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore, LCM of 10, 15, 25 equal product of common factors and extra factors. Common factor is 5 into extra factors 2 into 3 into 5 equal 5 2 ja 10. 10 3 ja 30. 35 ja 150. Least common multiply of 10, 15, 25 equal 150. Next, second method is division method. For example, LCM of 24 and 90. 24 and 90. Divisible by 2. 2 12 ja 24. 2 45 ja 90. 12 is divisible by 2. 45 is not divisible by 2. 12 is divisible by 3. 45 is divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 3 15 ja 45. LCM of 24 and 90 equal 2 into 3 into 4 into 15 equal 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, 24 15 ja 360. Least common multiply of 24 and 90 equal to 360. Another example, LCM of 21, 35, 42. 21, 35, 42. Three numbers divisible by 7. 7 3 ja 21. 7 5 ja 35. 7 6 ja 42. 3 and 6 divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 5. 3 2 ja 6. LCM of 21, 35, 42 equal 7 into 3 into 1 into 5 into 2 equal 7 3 ja 21, 21 ja 21, 21 5 ja 105, 105 2 ja 210. Least common multiply of 21, 35, 42 equal 210.